Today, I'm going to share one of my go-to quick and fast dinner recipe that I whip up for my family in minutes. And guess what? They're so happy to eat it because it's so delicious. We're going to take cabbage, bacon, and turn it into this delicious rice bowl called bacon 양배추 덮밥. We're gonna cook the bacon and cabbage in this soy sauce au jus that goes over the rice, and you mix it all up, and with one egg in the middle. You don't want to miss out on this. And vegan friends, use plant-based bacon because you're not gonna want to miss out on this delicious and moist and wet rice bowl. 오늘의 레시피, 간단하고 아주 맛있는 베이컨 양배추 덮밥 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영으로 함께 하겠습니다. I just drooled in my mouth right now. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. The ingredient list is available in the description box below, as well as the Korean product links that you could order online. We need about 300 grams of green cabbage. When it comes to cabbage, try to buy organic because organic cabbage tends to be really sweet. And cut the cabbage into thin strips like so. And about 115 grams of bacon. And we need 2 scallions cut in half. The white part we're going to use to stir fry with the bacon, and then the green we're going to use it for garnishing. We need 1/4 of a medium-sized onion. Here I have half, so I'm going to use half of this half. Set your heat to high. Place your skillet and let the skillet preheat for about a good minute or 2. So once your frying pan is preheated, I want you to turn down the heat to medium-high. Then we're going to take our bacon and add it to our frying pan. If your frying pan is not making that sizzling sound noise once the bacon hits the frying pan, that means you didn't preheat your frying pan long enough. Once you add the bacon to the hot skillet, you want to just leave it alone and let it just cook in its place like so the fat renders beautifully like that. About 2-3 minutes later, it should look like this, kind of crispy on the bottom. Then you want to go in with your wooden spoon and scrape everything up. You see this beautiful color to our bacon? That's this crispy brown color that we want to have to our bacon, okay? Then I want you to push the bacon to the other side and notice the oil in the bottom right here. To that, we're going to bring it to the center and we're going to add our white root end of our scallion, and we're just going to fry it like that. Doing this infuses our bacon oil with our delicious scallions, and it just makes it taste so much better. So let this sizzle away for like good 10 to 15 seconds. That's it. Vegan friends, when you're sauteing your plant-based bacon, make sure to add 2 tablespoons of oil or soy butter. Then you want to put your skillet down flat like that. Then you want to add our shredded cabbage, our sliced white onions, some freshly ground black pepper, then 2 big pinches of salt, 1, 2. Then just mix everything around. Our heat still remains at medium-high. We just want to kind of saute this for just 30 seconds. So the cabbage is going to mop up all the bacon fat and become super delicious. Bacon fat drenched cabbage. Then quickly we're going to add 2.5 cups of hot water. That's 2 cups of hot water and 1/2 cup of water. So it's important to use hot water because you want to continue building on the temperature of your skillet instead of adding cold water. Then quickly to this, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of 국간장. So this is soy sauce for stock and broths. If you can't get 국간장, just use all-purpose Korean soy sauce. And we're going to add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. This is optional, but I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of 소고기 다시다. That's beef bouillon powder. Vegan friends, add YonDu or MSG. This just makes it taste super yum. So just quickly mix everything around like so. Then right in the center, we're going to add 1, 2, 3 eggs. So I'm adding 3 eggs because this is enough to feed 3 adults. Maybe you could add 4 and make the portions a little bit smaller. Then what we're gonna do is place the lid, come down here and raise our heat to high, and we're gonna let this braise on high heat for 3 minutes. So it's been 3 minutes, so we're gonna turn the heat off completely. And this is done. Let's take a look. Ooh la la, ooh la la. So we wanna quickly transfer this to our rice bowl. Now, if you want your eggs to cook all the way through, I want you to put the lid back on and with the heat off, let it hang out for another 3 minutes. But I like my eggs in the middle to be nice and soft, so this is perfect for me. On a bed of warm Korean rice, look at that delicious oju, look at that. So we're gonna take our cabbage and place it on top like that with our bacon pieces. Oh, look at that, like that. I mean, you could put as much as you want or as little as you want, but I like it with lots of bacon and cabbage, and I like it with lots of oju. And then our egg. Ta-da! Like right here in the center, like that. And then you want to garnish with some green onions on top and all around, like that. And here I have some kim. We're just gonna break it up. Beautiful. And then we're gonna add just a little bit of sesame seeds on top, like that. Less is more when it comes to sesame seeds, folks. And then a light drizzle of sesame oil, like that. Time to eat. All right, so you just gotta go in and make a divide of our egg. Oh, look at that, oozing out. It's perfectly soft and creamy the way I like it. You're gonna need to make this and eat it at home and share it with people that you like, okay? Bon appetit, everyone. Everything just is melting in my mouth. The rice is completely drenched in the soy sauce au jus that we made. And then the bacon fat adds that layer of just yummy goodness. And then you could taste the bacon, and then the cabbage is nice and soft and has this like still a little bit of crunchy and sweet taste. And then the seaweed and then the sesame oil just makes everything so extra luxurious. Oh, it's so good. And of course, you have to have it with a piece of kimchi on top all together. Then it's a perfect bite. Look at that. I just drooled in my mouth right now. I do that a lot. All right, bon appetit again. I mean, honestly, this is so good. Oh, just kimchi just made it just extra good. It just pulled all the flavors together. Oh, I think I'm officially in food heaven. Oh, this is really yummy, really yummy. So simple and yummy. If you want to check out more Korean recipes, make sure to go to youtube.com/modernpepper and select the playlist tab, and you'll see all different categories of Korean foods that you might want to check out. So I will see you there. I want to thank you for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, as always, I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on that thumbs up icon and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you and I can make more Korean dishes together. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 눌러주세요. 다음 영상에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. 감사합니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of the videos you see right here.